I look totally different now, so I can style this totally differently. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Teresa Parker, and this week I'm gonna show you how I packed for my trip back to visit my family in the Midwest for Christmas. So what I tried to do was take the idea of a capsule wardrobe where you have like the same color scheme, and then you can make multiple outfits using the same pieces. I would say I didn't do so well with like the actual clothing, but some of the outer shell wear makes a lot more sense, I would say. So let's get started with that. First, I have this beautiful thrifted trench coat. It has a fur lining. If you've been following me this whole year, you would have seen this in my Thrift With Me for 2022 video. And then I have these boots that match it perfectly, and I love the fur on these boots. It just gives every outfit a little extra texture. And I didn't want to pack too many shoes with me, so I just decided to pack two. So I'm gonna be gone for 6 days. I need 3 days or 4 days of casual outfits and 2 days of formal wear. So these are my casual shoes, and then I brought some flats to wear for my more formal outfits. The first outfit we have is a travel outfit. I will be talking about this outfit in the video upcoming about what outfits I wore the most during 2022, and one of the ones I talked about was this. I have these tan joggers that I love to wear. They're really cute. They look kind of formal, so I'm gonna wear these on the plane with this green cardigan. It's really fluffy and warm, and I can take it on and off, so it'll be really nice during the flight. This is just from Forever 21, so are the pants. And normally I just wear like a crop top underneath, but I left the shirt that I usually wear at my parents' house, and I'm gonna be on a plane, so I just decided to throw on this t-shirt. This is an outfit that I wore last week. I just put this on and tied it up in the front to make it a little crop top. And I have a weird thing where I like to match my socks with my outfits, so I packed these green. They're those cabin socks. They're really thick, and I think they'll be nice for going from Texas to Iowa, because I'm gonna be so cold when I get there. For day 2, I will be cleaning my grandfather's house and visiting my best friend Lexi. So again, it's more casual outfits. This pair of joggers, if I had had them longer, probably would have ended up in my most worn outfits video, because they're really thick, they're really nice, they're really warm. They're from Under Armour, and I stole them from a guy before he ghosted me. So what's the saying about one door closes, another door opens? I got my favorite pair of navy blue joggers now. And the matching socks, they're again my cabin socks. I have 2 pairs of these. These ones are blue and they have a little pattern on them. So they don't match perfectly, but they don't clash either, so I'm not mad about it. And again, probably should have been on my most worn list of this year is this long sleeve shirt. It just says like Celestial Dream on it. It's from Forever 21, but it's long sleeve and it has, what are these? I should be better at this, like daffodil seam or whatever. I don't know what it's called. But yes, I like it because it's long sleeve, but it still kind of fits my aesthetic. It's like cream. It's got the sun and moon on it. It's got the little frills. I just really like this shirt. It's a little big on me because I have to buy all of my long sleeves like a size up so that they fit my long ass arms, but I really like this one, so it's coming with me. That's actually why I wanted to film my most worn outfits video yesterday, is because I knew a lot of these items were gonna end up in that pile, and I wasn't gonna wanna have to tear through my suitcase after it had already been packed. So Christmas Eve is when we go to mass. We go to church, right? So my mom told me to dress conservatively. So I just brought this dress from Karl Lagerfeld, and I hope that it fits me still because it's a size 6 and now I'm like a size 2. So last time I tried it on last year, when I tried on every item of clothing I own. Comment down below if you think I should do that again and another closet clean out. I don't know how much stuff I'll end up getting rid of, but I think it might be fun because there were a lot of things last year that I was holding on to that I probably shouldn't have been. So who knows what the outcome would be this time. But I packed this green dress. Like I said, it's from Karl Lagerfeld. It fit me so nicely. I wore it literally for Christmas 2 years ago, but I'm not even gonna be upset about it because I look totally different now, so I can style this totally differently. And I used to be very minimal with my accessories, but I think that now I can spice this up a little bit more. Which brings us to the shoes, which are my handy dandy nude flats. They're not the most comfortable, but they're really cute and I like the pointed toes. I love nude shoes all the time. Like if you look at my formal shoes, they're mostly this color or like a natural woody kind of brown. So that's just kind of my style. And I will also be wearing those flats with this outfit. This is what I'm gonna wear on Christmas Day. It's a little less conservative because the top is a crop top. But I wore a crop top to Thanksgiving and we're not going to Mass on Christmas. So I think this will be fine. It's just gonna be me and my family. And I think I'm gonna wear, I have this butterfly choker that I like to wear with these kind of V-necks that I think I'm probably gonna wear with this one. And then I have these green pants, which definitely need to be ironed, but I'm gonna ask my mom to do that when I get home because I am not good at that. Along with all of the matching pairs of socks that I packed these 3 pairs of &1 socks to fit underneath my boots. And then I also packed 7 pairs of underwear. I packed 5 pairs of like regular underwear and 2 thongs because obviously I'm gonna be with my family, so it'd be weird of me to wear thongs, especially since I only brought 1 pair of leggings. And then I brought 2 bras, 1 sports bra, 1 regular one, and I should probably throw in some oversized t-shirts to sleep in. I think I'm just gonna leave the sweatpants that I packed because I already packed like 2 or 3 of them, so I will be able to reuse them throughout the week. The last outfit that I put together is gonna last me the last 2 days because I will be driving home from my parents' house, so we're just gonna need 2 outfits and I wanted them to be pretty close together, so I'm packing my favorite, my pink granny sweatshirt. And then I packed 2 pairs of pants, these maroon leggings, and these pink sweatpants that kind of make me look like a jet puffed marshmallow with these patterned socks. They are very thick, but they're not the same brand as the cabin socks. Make sure you let me know if you like some of these fashion videos. One of the problems I'm having with my YouTube channel is since it's about OnlyFans, I have a lot more male viewers than I do female viewers, which isn't really what I was going for because it's all informational. So sometimes I worry that the wrong audience is getting my content. So I'm trying to make more like girly type videos to bring in a more female audience so that I can get my message out the way that I want to. So if you want to be a part of that community, I welcome you to subscribe to the channel. I do have a lot of videos about OnlyFans, but I have videos about other things like fashion, dating. I do a lot of vlogs. I like to rave, so sometimes my vlogs will be at like EDM festivals and stuff. Check out my vlog, Seeing John Summit, if you would like to. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you're subscribed to the channel down below on the red button. It says subscribe. There's also a gray notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. But I'll see you in the next one.